Welcome to our animated journey through some of the most fascinating and lesser-known facts about the moon. But how much do we really know about our celestial neighbor? Prepare to have your mind blown as we delve into the moon's secrets, from its surprising size and makeup to its dramatic role in shaping life here on Earth. So, picture this. You're holding a basketball. That's the Earth. Now, imagine a tennis ball next to it. That's about the size of the moon in comparison. The moon's diameter is roughly 3,474 kilometers, about a quarter of Earth's. Its gravitational pull is responsible for some pretty impressive phenomena here on Earth. For now, let's just appreciate the fact that our little lunar buddy is a pretty decent size, all things considered. Ever wonder how many miles you'd have to rack up on your cosmic odometer to reach the moon? We're talking about an average distance of 384,400 kilometers. That's like driving around the Earth's equator nearly 10 times. The moon's distance is part of what makes it so fascinating. The moon is locked in a delicate dance with Earth, a celestial tango that's been going on for billions of years. It takes the moon roughly 27.3 days to complete one orbit around our planet. It also takes the moon the same amount of time to complete one rotation on its axis. This synchronized spin means that we Earthlings only ever get to see one side of the moon. The moon looks like it's seen better days, right? It's covered in craters. These aren't just blemishes, they're battle scars, a testament to the moon's long history as a cosmic punching bag. Without an atmosphere to shield it, the moon has been bombarded by asteroids, meteoroids, and all sorts of space debris for billions of years. Think volcanoes are just an Earth thing? Think again. The moon might seem like a cold, dead rock, but billions of years ago, it was a hotbed of volcanic activity. Those dark, smooth patches on the moon's surface are called maria, Latin for seas, and they're actually vast plains of solidified lava. They formed when molten rock erupted from the moon's interior, spreading out across the landscape. Imagine standing on the surface of the moon. You're wearing a spacesuit, of course, because there's no air to breathe. The moon has no atmosphere to speak of. That lack of atmospheric blanket has some pretty extreme consequences. Temperatures on the moon swing wildly between scorching hot during the day and bone-chillingly cold at night. Ever wonder what you'd find if you could scoop up a handful of moon dust? The moon is primarily composed of rocks and minerals, primarily silicates, similar to what we find here on Earth. Deep down, the moon has a core, just like Earth, but it's much smaller in comparison. And what's in that core? Mostly iron and nickel, the heavy hitters of the periodic table. Remember the moon's gravity? That invisible force pulling at us from afar? It's actually what causes the tides here on Earth. The moon's gravitational pull is strongest on the side of Earth facing it, creating a bulge in the ocean water, causing high tide. On the opposite side of Earth, another bulge forms, thanks to inertia. So the next time you're enjoying a day at the beach, remember to thank the moon for those waves. For as long as humans have looked up at the night sky, we've been captivated by the moon. It's inspired countless myths and legends, from ancient tales of lunar deities to modern science fiction epics. The moon has been a muse for artists, poets, and musicians for centuries, its ethereal glow and mysterious presence sparking creativity across cultures and throughout history. On July 20th, 1969, the world watched in awe as Neil Armstrong took one small step onto the lunar surface, forever changing the course of human history. The Apollo 11 mission marked the first time humanity had set foot on another celestial body. The Apollo missions paved the way for decades of lunar exploration, with robotic probes and rovers venturing to the moon, unraveling its secrets. Thanks for joining us on this lunar adventure. We've covered a lot of ground, from the moon's surprising size and volcanic past to its influence on our tides and its enduring hold on our imaginations. It's amazing to think that this celestial body, which has captivated humanity for millennia, still holds so many mysteries. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating facts about our universe. And the next time you look up at the moon, remember all the incredible things we've learned about our cosmic companion.